Hi everyone. In this video, I'm explaining how to install the STM32CubeIDE software. I have already downloaded the software, so it is in this folder now. So now I'll show the installation steps. So I'm just double clicking on this software now. So this video will be lengthier, so you can run it in a 1.5x speed. So now the software is going to start with the installation procedures. So if any usernames and all password is there, you can give in your computer. So right now I don't have any password. I'll just click yes. So in my previous video, I have showed how to download it. So I'll give that video link in the description. You can check it out. So click on the next now. I agree. So by default, it will take the C drive path. Right now in my computer, there is a problem with space in the C drive. So I'll just select a D drive by default. So I'm changing the drive, but generally C drive is preferred. So you continue with the C drive only. So it is going to install some required drivers and all. So just click on install button. So now the installation procedure has started. So this step will take up to some 2 to 3 minutes based on your computer speed and all. So you can execute this video in 1.5x speed. So the complete installation will happen. Then I'll open the software and I'll show you the initial step how to create the project and all. So in my later videos, I'll be explaining about the programming of LED programs and other peripheral interface programs also. So now we'll just wait for the installation to get completed. So I had selected a D drive in my computer. So if I check the D drive, a folder will be created with ST. So you can see that ST folder has been created here. So this installation will take hardly some 2 to 3 minutes of time. So we are using STM32F103 C8 board, which is called as a blue pill board also. It is a low cost. You can use that board for the practicing purpose and all. And to download the program, ST-Link V2 one module is available that you can use it for downloading and for program downloading and debugging purpose. Both are with the low cost. It comes around 150 to 200 rupees. Even the development board and even the programmer module also. This STM board works with the ARM Cortex M3 architecture. It's a 32-bit microcontroller. Almost the installation process is getting completed. So completed came. So I'll just click on the next now. So it's going to create a shortcut on the desktop. Finish. So now it has been created here. So I'll just double click on it. So the software is getting opened. So I'll just show how to create a project. In the next videos, we'll start with the LED program. So it will ask for some workspace here. Even default, it will take the user space with your C drive. So I'll just change wherever you want to keep your program now, you can select that folder. So in my computer, I'm having one folder for STM and also I'm just selecting that path. So you can select your interested path and all. You can click on the launch. The workspace, you have to select it, then click on launch. So the software is getting open now. So in this software, we can configure the peripherals and also automatically it will generate the code. Already I was having a path, so it is just showing those things. So I was having one project before, so that project code it is showing now. So to create a new project, you have to go for new, then click on STM32 project, file new STM32. So now it's going to create a new project. So all our projects will be notified here in this project explorer, which comes on this left side. To get uploaded. Since I'm opening it for the first time, it will take some more time also. Later it will be happening a little bit faster. So now it has opened here. So you have to select the part number which you are working. So mine is STM32F103 C8T6 is the part number. So you can select that. So the part number is highlighted here. You can select over here. Then click on next. Okay, so it will ask for the project name. So I'll give the project name as LED testing. I'll give it as LED test project. Okay. Don't do any other changes and all. So all this can be same only. Then click on next. So here also we won't do any changes. Then finish. Through your internet connectivity should be there when you're running this software for the first time. With internet, it will take a lot of libraries and all. So almost thing is done. So you're getting the chip pin details, everything here. A login account has to be created. So once you open the software, you have to log in with your username and password. Even with that, some plugins and all will get uploaded. So yeah, this login procedure is very important. You have to follow that. So now my second project has opened. See, test LED was the previous project, and now I created one more project, that is a LED test pro project. So here this file .ioc is there now. So in this file only we are going to configure our uh, peripherals. So what are the peripherals we are going to use? We'll be configuring it here. So first thing is clock So this is the clock window. In my next video, I'll explain all these things in a step-by-step where I'll be explaining about LED blink code. So here you can find all the peripherals. So you can install your software and just observe all these peripherals options. So each and everything we need to configure it. First step is we need to go to RCC where you have to select the external oscillator. So it is a high-speed external crystal oscillator has been selected. So once you do some selections, so you can identify here the respective pins will be allocated. So I'll just repeat the procedure once again. See, I'll disable. So these pins are used for oscillator purpose. So in our PCB, all those options are there already. So now these two pins has been allocated for the external crystal. Then go for SYS system. So here debug. So where we have some pins are used to download the program and all. We have to select serial wire. So you can find some pins are allocated for that. These two pins. So I'll just repeat the step. No debug. See, these options has been removed. Serial wire. These two steps are the first steps which we have to follow. One is go to SYS and select serial wire. Then in RCC, we have to select the external crystal. So in my next video, I'll start off explaining about how to blink an LED. Then one by one, how to work with different peripherals. I'll be explaining with the next level videos. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.